Catalysis is a core area of contemporary science with an enormous impact on our daily life. The human body runs on enzymes, which are indeed catalysts, and catalysts make it possible to sustain fundamental aspects of life, such as energy, food, water, and materials as we know it today. Catalysis lies at the heart of the chemical industry, being involved at some point in the processing of over 80% of all manufactured products. But far from being a mature field, it still poses major fundamental and conceptual challenges. The Institute of Computational Chemistry and Catalysis at the University of Girona is committed to transfer the most recent research in sustainable catalysis to the future professionals of chemistry to fulfill a growing demand from the chemical industry. With this aim, we offer the Master in Advanced Catalysis and Molecular Modeling, MACMOM. The objective of this master's degree is to train professionals and researchers capable of addressing the design of new catalyzed processes, integrating innovative synthetic routes that apply more sustainable, efficient, and economic catalytic methodologies. One of the key aspects of the MACMOM is that it provides the students with a hybrid approach, experimental and theoretical computational, for the design and optimization of catalysts. MACMOM is an internationally oriented course comprising 60 ECTS, a full academic year from October to July-September, and is taught entirely in English. Prospective students are mainly graduates in chemistry, but the master is also open to graduates in biotechnology, chemical engineering, and material science who wish to pursue a career in research, innovation, and development, both in the industry and at the university. The course comprises 36 ECTS on core modules, 12 ECTS on optional modules that can be fulfilled either by attending lectures at the university or by carrying out an internship in the industry. And the last 12 ECTS comprise the realization of the master thesis through an individually supervised research project and dissertation. The core modules of the MACMOM cover subjects which are divided into 3 areas: fundamental skills, which comprise catalysis, modeling, and synthesis topics; integrating labs that combine experimental and computational techniques to tackle the characterization of catalysts and their mechanism of action; and finally, a module devoted to acquire skills on communication, grant writing, and technology transfer. The course is designed around a modular system of teaching and assessment. It is divided into 3 periods, each of them roughly covering a trimester. The first period, from October to December, is dedicated to most of the core modules of the course. The second period, spanning from January to March, comprises 1 core and the optional modules. The last period, extending from April to either July or September, is then spent essentially to the master's research project. The students that want to follow a professional pathway are incorporated into the industry early in March for their paid internship and can extend their secondment in the industry for up to 4 to 5 months and a total of 750 hours by carrying out the master's research project also there. The MACMOM has paid internship offers from our partners located close to the university in Girona, a little bit farther into the Barcelona area, and also partners in Belgium and Germany. The students wishing to do the internship in our European partners are guided through the procedure to apply for Erasmus Plus for Friendship grants to partially cover the travel and accommodation expenses as an extra to the compensation paid by the industry. In all cases, the industrial secondment is co-tutorized by the responsible person of the company and a teaching of the staff of the master. The students that want to follow a research pathway have the possibility to carry out the master thesis project in the laboratories of one of the 4 research teams of the IQCC at the Faculty of Science or the Science and Technology Park at the University of Girona. For this pathway, there is also the possibility to carry out the research project in our partners in universities or research centers in Spain or abroad. A very high percentage of the MACMOM graduates access to highly qualified job placements in the field of catalysis soon after finishing their studies. If we take a look at the job placements of the MACMOM alumni for the period 2015-2019, we can see that almost 2/3 has continued to do the PhD, with 19 students carrying out the PhD at the University of Girona and 14 others in universities or research institutions in Spain or abroad. Almost 1/3 is occupying a position in the industry, and only a minor group has taken other pathways such as education. These percentages parallel the number of students following the academia and industrial pathways of the master. A number of scholarship and other funding schemes are available for MACMOM students, both if they want to stay at the University of Girona or going abroad. You can consult the master website for full information. To sum up, IQCC is committed to excellence in computational chemistry and catalysis, and to providing the highest quality postgraduate education and researcher experience. The Institute offers a globally connected teaching community that is enriched by incoming students and regularly organizes research talks and visiting speaker symposia. Apart from the fundamental knowledge, MACMOM students develop transferable skills that improve their career prospects, such as project management, team working, advanced data analysis, problem solving, critical evaluation of scientific literature, advanced laboratory and computing skills, and how to effectively communicate with different audiences. Our master's program will therefore provide an excellent foundation for any kind of career of scientific leadership in academia and industry. Please follow us on the media and do not hesitate to contact us if you want further information. Thank you for your attention.